SundaeSwap is a decentralized exchange on the Cardano blockchain that allows users to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and stake assets without intermediaries. As of late 2025, it's the top DEX on Cardano with approximately $2.1 billion in total value locked. It uses smart contracts for peer-to-peer trading on Cardano's proof-of-stake consensus for low fees and energy efficiency. SundaeSwap operates on Cardano's proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is energy efficient and enables low transaction fees. Swapping allows users to exchange tokens directly through automated market makers without intermediaries. Liquidity provision involves adding token pairs to pools to earn trading fees, though it carries impermanent loss risk. Staking involves locking LP tokens or Sundae to earn rewards, with yields up to 15% APY on select pools. To swap tokens on SundaeSwap, first connect a Cardano-compatible wallet such as Eternal, Lace, or Nami to the dApp. Select the tokens you want to exchange, like ADA for USDM, input the desired amounts, and confirm the transaction. Remember to set slippage tolerance to avoid losses from price changes, and note that fees are typically 0.3% of the trade volume. To provide liquidity, add token pairs to pools on SundaeSwap, such as ADA and Sundae. You'll receive LP tokens that represent your share of the pool and earn trading fees. Be aware of impermanent loss, which occurs when token prices change, and mitigate this by selecting correlated pairs. To stake on SundaeSwap, lock LP tokens or Sundae in reward pools. You can earn up to 15% APY funded by protocol fees, with tokens locked for periods from 1 to 12 months to receive compounded rewards. Always secure your wallet against phishing attacks, as the platform does not require KYC.